we're doing the introduction to Git and Git basics to start with, and then we'll move on. So this kind of just goes over Git. I don't really want to read it to you. I've already read through it. If you're following along, I suggest you read through it. It's got some interesting stuff about how Git works and what it is, and GitHub and everything. Alright, and now we'll get into commands on Git. So let's check our version. .420. It's later, so let's do this. Okay. And we have set up Git. We've already done that. Create a new repository. So we need to go over to Git and create a new repository. GitHub, rather. What we need to do is create a Git test. And you can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to follow its naming convention. Make sure you do the add and readme file. And you copy your code from the SSH tab, copy that down, and then you're going to create a new directory called repos, and then clone your repository. And that's going to look like this. And then we can do cd. Now we're in it. And then so you see that push our stuff. All right, let's do this. Let's create a new thing. I hate the hello world idea in coding. I don't know why, so I'm not going to do that. We're just going to call it Git test. Okay, we created that. We need to do this Git status. Shows Git test file. And we can add it. Git add Git test. And then we do the Git status. Let's see that it's adding it. Red to green. And we can commit the file. See, it's on the main branch. It did it. It did the thing. Log. We can show it doing the thing. And then we can open code. And we have two files, the Git test and readme file. So we created the files, now we can start working with them in Visual Studio. Just go over here. Oh, we can do readme. And we can type whatever we want. Whatever I want. And save that. Go back to the terminal. Nope. And you can see we've modified the Ruby file. And we can add that to our commit. And so it's been added. Oh, and apparently we can just add everything. That's done. It's cool. I know I've done this before, but you don't remember everything you've done. It always takes a few tries. And then we can go ahead and commit. There we go. Look at your log, and then just go ahead and push. This will push all your commits to our GitHub. And we'll check the status and see that it's all good. And you can go back here and see. If we go to our test, shows it all updated. This is just a warning, basically saying just try to do everything through git commands in your repo rather than updating the website. Here, just typing it in by editing that file directly, because it screws with your clone. Here's a little cheat sheet of what we just did. And then there's some best practices, atomic commits. So we can change the default messenger. Let's see. Okay, let's see what this is doing before we're configuring this core editor that I misspelled. We're configuring it to wait when we do it. Okay. So this time, if we hit git commit, oh, I see we added our message to the commit. That's what that was, him. I remember that now. Okay. That's what we were adding. That was just a message. We didn't need to take that. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. here's your knowledge check. Okay. Next on is to HTML, and that'll be, I think, the next video. So I'll see you there.